How to remove my AI on Snapchat. First of all, open your application Snapchat and make sure you are logged into your account. Move into your chat section right here. At the very top of the list, you'll get to see my AI of your Snapchat. Tap and hold the inbox of my AI and then tap on manage friendship. There you can see that there is no any option where it says remove. It means that you cannot actually remove my AI from your Snapchat. But the one thing you can do is go back and tap and hold the inbox of my AI. Head over to chat settings. Right here you will get to see the option of message notifications. You can simply turn off that option and then you will not receive any notification from my AI on your Snapchat. So this is one of the options, but beyond this you can simply not talk to my AI on Snapchat. As long as you don't interact with my AI, they won't interact with you. But if you really want to remove my AI from Snapchat, the only one thing left is to wait for the Snapchat to update the feature where you can remove my AI. So this is the end of the video and I hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.